Chapter 28 The reason due to which Suleiman said, Lord, forgive me and grant me a kingdom which is not fit for being inherited by anyone after me. I said to Abu al-Hasan al-Musa bin Ja'far, is it permissible for a prophet of Almighty and Majestic to become stingy? So he said, no. So I said to him, so, what about the words of Suleiman, 38:35? He said, Lord, forgive me and grant me a kingdom which is not fit for being inherited by anyone after me. What is its perspective, and what is its meaning? So he said, the kingdoms are of two types, a kingdom which is attained by the overcoming, and the tyranny, and the choice of the people, and a kingdom which is attained from the presence of Allah Blessed and High, like the kingdom of Ibrahim, and kingdom of Talut, and kingdom of Zulkarnain. Suleiman said, 38:35, grant me a kingdom which is not fit for being inherited by anyone after me. He is speaking about the one which is attained by the overcoming, and the tyranny, and the choice of the people. Allah Blessed and High, 38:36, made the wind to be subservient to him, flowing gently by his command to wherever he so desired, and made its morning as a month, and its flowing a month, and made subservient to him the devils who used to build and dive, and taught him the language of the birds, and to move in the earth. So the people knew, during his time and after him, that his kingdom does not resemble the kingdoms of the choice of the people, and the kingdoms of the overcoming and the tyranny. I said to him, what about the words of Rasul Allah, may Allah have mercy upon my brother Suleiman, how stingy he was? The Imam replied, his words have two perspectives, one of these is how stingy he was by his offer, and evil is the word in it. And another perspective is that he is saying, how stingy he was that he did not want it to go, inherited by, the ignorant. Then the Imam said, we have been given what Suleiman had been given, and what he had not been given, as well, and what no one in the worlds have been given. Almighty and Majestic has said in the story of Suleiman, this is our gift, therefore give out freely or withhold, without measure. And the Mighty and Majestic said in the story of Muhammad, and whatever the Rasul gives you, accept it, and from whatever he forbids you, keep back. Chapter 28 The reason due to